Welcome to Hello Experts, where we bring you the latest updates on cutting edge technology and innovations. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the Volkswagen Flying Tiger, an electric flying car that has taken the world by storm. Get ready to soar through the skies with us as we explore the fascinating details of this groundbreaking prototype. Let's dive in. The Volkswagen Flying Tiger is a fully working prototype of an automated electric flying car. It was launched by Volkswagen China, showcasing their commitment to developing new mobility solutions and becoming a leader in sustainable transportation. This state-of-the-art passenger drone prototype, also known as the Flying Tiger, features a distinctive black and gold livery resembling the majestic tiger. Its sleek design and futuristic X-wing configuration make it a sight to behold. The Flying Tiger is an electric vertical takeoff and landing prototype. It can land, take off, and hover vertically, offering a seamless and efficient mode of transportation. With its advanced technology and design, we aim to revolutionize urban mobility and provide a sustainable solution for the future. The Flying Tiger incorporates advanced technology for smooth and secure flight. Its electric propulsion system guarantees a quiet and environmentally friendly journey, curbing noise and carbon emissions. The Volkswagen Flying Tiger marks a significant stride in electric flying car advancement, demonstrating the potential of eVTOL technology to reshape travel. Its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities hold the promise for relieving urban traffic congestion and ensuring efficient urban transportation. Accommodating up to 4 passengers, this Flying Tiger provides a luxurious and comfortable travel experience. Passengers can relish panoramic cityscapes and picturesque landscapes as they soar through the skies. Flying in the Volkswagen Flying Tiger was an incredible experience. The smooth takeoff, the breathtaking views, and the comfort of the cabin made it a truly memorable journey. It's like a glimpse into the future of transportation. The Volkswagen Flying Tiger represents the convergence of automotive and aviation technology, opening new possibilities for urban mobility. Here are the key benefits of the Volkswagen Flying Tiger. The number one is green mobility. As an electric vehicle, the Flying Tiger produces zero emissions in flight, making it an eco-friendly mode of transportation. Efficient vertical transport. Designed as an eVTOL prototype, the Flying Tiger can take off and land vertically. This innovation offers efficient transportation, potentially reducing urban traffic congestion. Accommodating up to 4 passengers, the Flying Tiger provides a lavish travel experience with panoramic city or landscape views. Representing a significant advancement in electric flying cars, the Flying Tiger showcases the potential of VTOL technology to transform travel norms. Here are some facts about the Volkswagen Flying Tiger. The number one is the Volkswagen Flying Tiger is a fully working prototype for an electric flying car. The Flying Tiger has 8 rotors for vertical lift and 2 rear propellers for horizontal flight. The prototype is around 37 feet long by 35 feet wide. The Flying Tiger can carry up to 4 passengers. The prototype was launched by Volkswagen China in August 2022. The Flying Tiger is part of the Volkswagen efforts to develop a new mobility solution and become a leader in sustainable mobility. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting video.